Good morning, O followers of righteousness. It's early Wednesday morning. The shovel guy is pretty slow there. I'm just gonna take him. Wow. You have a look. He's making a ramp to heaven there. Anyways, I'm waiting for him to be done. But just a quick little update. I know these videos suck, but hey, that's what you get. The third video for the Bogger series is going to be out tonight. It's going to show my intake manifold and pretty much my whole mock-up setup. What else? Short sleeve. If you guys don't know short sleeve yet, his channel is short sleeve with a 0 instead of an O. Go to his channel, just obliterate his wall with posts. Just tell him to make a new video because it's been over like a month. Tell him he's slacking. Tell him he needs to pick it up. Make some new videos before we kick his ass. Or before I kick his ass. Anyways, there's nothing other than that to report. Make sure you watch tonight for that other video. And see you guys all later.